Let me teach you how I made this delicious Ofada sauce with onions. First, you need to gather all that you intend to cook with. Here, I'm using smoked fish and boiled eggs for my protein. I'm also using 2 big onions, red oil, pepper flakes, otherwise known as atagbigbe, crayfish, ginger and garlic. Oh, I love those tools. Seasoning, thyme and curry. Let's go there. Second step is to prepare your blender for action. Start by putting the onions, followed by ginger and garlic, then add little water, cover and blend. Please do not blend till smooth. I think mine was even a little bit smooth. The third step is to light your gas, put your pot on fire, pour your oil. You can see the oil I'm using here is minimal. I'm not a fan of oil at all. Now let your oil get hot. Some people might want to bleach their oil for additional taste, but be careful sha o. If you're choosing to bleach your oil, abeg o. Now pour in your blended onions into the pot. Add pepper flakes, mix well and cover. Let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then you add your crayfish, you add your thyme, curry, maggi, fish, and then stir. Okay. At this point, your neighbor should be peeping at what is going on in your kitchen because the aroma from the sauce is like a moon that cannot be hidden. The ginger and garlic are doing wonders already. I've been making this sauce since 2020, and each time somebody eats out of it, I get this "where are you from" look. Like, you're beautiful, intelligent, hardworking, you still can't sabi cook. Abeg, I want to meet Yatobi. Okay, let's get back. Now add your salt, pour in the eggs and stir. Cover for about 2 to 3 minutes on medium heat. Then tada! Here you have it. Your Ofada sauce is ready. So easy to make. I had mine with brown rice. You can eat yours with yam, plantain, potato, rice, spaghetti, bread. Everything goes. Please let me know the result once you've tried it. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing content like this. I promise I'll be giving you content back to back. Thank you for watching.